It's good to have you again. This is Market Formula, and this is where we talk about the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. If you are new here, subscribe and turn on the notification so that every time I drop useful content like this, you'll be the first to be notified. So I'm just going to drop this short video so that we can know what actually is happening in this market. Yesterday, something very interesting happened because lately I've been working and paying attention to volume, value, and deal. We want to know where is the money going, who are the people buying. So this kind of information we can actually get it when we pay attention to one, the value of the transaction that happened in that particular stock, the volume, how large is the volume, then how many transactions actually take place. This is the Google Sheet that we use and in tracking what is actually happening. So I'll just go to this section of money flow. This money flow is actually where I want us to pay attention to. So I want to know what is actually happening. Did the stock gain for that day? What volume was traded? This is volume. What value and what in the and how many number of deals? So when you put all these things together, and I can now say, okay, is it that there's accumulation going on in that stock, or there is distribution, or what is actually happening? And something happened in this particular stock that we are going to look at now. This particular stock is Sovereign Insurance. What is actually happening in that stock, I don't know, but from what I can figure out, or from what I can deduce, is that there is volume going into that particular stock. So let's look at Sovereign Trust. So for Sovereign Trust, yesterday, this is still yesterday's data. So where is S? Okay, Sovereign Trust. So I've clicked on that Sovereign Trust. The price that I closed yesterday was 5 naira 50 kobo. Again, 2.64%. In what number of volume? The volume was 343 million. You see, 343 million, which represents, that means that stock had the highest volume for yesterday. That's why it's rated, volume rank is rated 1. That means it's the first. Then when it comes to value, it traded 1.1 billion, which is ranked number 8 in the market. Then now look at the deal. That's where I need us to pay attention to. This deal is 154 transactions. So what is actually happening there? So very interestingly, you will see that an average deal. So an average deal was like 7.2 million. So an average deal that occurred in this stock yesterday was 7.2 million. Who are the kind of people that you think can actually pull this kind of volume? Let me know your thoughts. Who are the people you think they are buying? I don't know what they see in this stock. I don't know what is happening. But if you go to the chart, when you go to the chart, you now see what is actually happening. Just this morning, the market just opened and that stock had gained 4%. It has already gained 4% just this morning. I'm also placing my own trade. I've already placed my own trade also at 3 naira 50 kobo, the price that at which it closed yesterday. But let's see if I will still be able to supply today. The market's just opening. We have only traded 1.53 million. So 1.53 million units is just traded today. And that yesterday, the volume that was traded, this is the volume, so 343 million units that was traded. And just this morning, that started again. So when I saw that volume surge, and I saw that the value was not also joking, and the average deal size was high, so I drop it in the WhatsApp group for my followers to also pay attention to it. And by the way, if you are thinking of being a part of that community also, it's free. Just you will see the link in the description or in the comment also, where you can join and be a part of this growing community. So what is interesting in this stock? Going by my rule, when I go to the monthly chart, I want to see the most important bullish candle, which is actually sitting here. See the most important bullish candle sitting here. All right, so this candle also, if you look at it very well, this one closed below here, making this level a valid swing. So we want to see a retrace of that level. So when the price was actually below this midpoint, it would have been the best price to enter this particular stock. So let's go down and see what is happening. Is also what confluences with where fair value gap on this time frame. So if I can see this stock around 3 naira 50 kobo, it won't be a bad idea for me to buy it and see what is actually going to happen. So on the daily, see what happened on the daily. Let me go back to the weekly and see. So if we are looking at the weekly, this is the most important candle here now for the bearish candle. So if this closes above here, then it's higher chances that that high is still a possibility. When you look at it on the daily, you will see that there was a fair value gap here, and this fair value gap is still there. So we have another bearish value gap here, which is most likely going to send this price back. So if you send it back and you are able to get it at 3 naira 50 kobo, fantastic. But better still, if this stock can come to like 3 naira, or you can get your entry at 3 naira, then that is also very, very good. Okay, that will be all for this video, and until next time when we meet again, I wish you all a very good trading week.